Hi everybody, welcome back to Rolling Through Life. This is Wanda. Today is a little bit different video. Today I need to fix my camera. A few months back I dropped it and a corner where the tripod goes into broke off. I tried to use Sugru and it's too flexible to stay on my tripod or any other thing I put it on. So what I need to do is dig this out. I have a tapestry needle, so we're going to dig this out, try to get it out as clean as we can. And we're going to replace it with this epoxy putty. I went to the hardware store today and I explained what I needed, and they suggested that would be a good fix, but I need to work fast with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this out and I will come back as soon as I get all this dug out. Okay, I got all this out, and as you see, it's kind of rubbery. It just wasn't working. It wouldn't stay on my overhead filming apparatus or anything. So we are going to try this. I already read the directions. I have some plastic bags to put the excess in so that way it's usable again. It says it dries like steel, so I am really hoping this works, because honestly I am not in the mood to spend money on another camera. So it's wrapped in a little bit of plastic here. Make sure we have a clean surface. Alright. So just want to take off a little bit. I don't need a whole lot. This is what it looks like. Just get some white substance in there, and that once it's mixed together, that's what hardens. So I'm just going to take my needle, probably take it off more than I actually need, but I think sometimes it's best to have a little bit more than not enough, especially with the drying time on it. So I'm going to take this, seal it back up. Throw it in this plastic bag for now. Throw it in a Ziploc. I don't want too much air on it. And then there we go. So it said to knead this until it's all one color. Let's see if we can get you a little bit closer. Here we go. So we just need to knead it. So I'm going to knead this up until it's all one solid color. And the next step, I need to use what my camera's hanging on now. So it's going to be a little shaky. I'm going to try to figure out how to do this with so you can see everything. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I have all this. It's one uniform color. This is what I hang my camera off of. So we're going to use that. So I only need a little bit in this corner right here. So I'm going to push it down in there. And I need the other half to stay exposed so that way the threading goes in properly. So I'm going to take it and thread it. Until it stops. it should be good. I want to take it out and try not to move it so much, so that way the threads don't move. Oh, shoot. There we go. As you can see, it's threaded in there. I just want to kind of wipe this away. It's already starting to harden. So I kind of want to thread it one more time, make sure I get it right. Okay, unthread as easy as we can. Can't leave this in there because it will glue it. It will become rock hard, so I need to take it out. I'm going to use my needle to kind of just even that out a little bit. I think that'll work. I mean, there's a little bit of straggling in there, but I think that with time will come out. So I'll come back in 15 minutes when that's hard, and we'll see if it worked. Okay, while that's drying, what I'm doing is I'm going in the screw here. It's already starting to harden very quickly, and I'm trying to get any excess out before it thoroughly dries. That way I don't have to replace the screw. So I'm trying to save money, not spend a lot more. So and you know, I don't mind that the screw didn't work. I mean, I can use that in other areas of the house. And it's just a learning curve, I guess. Because if this works, there's a lot of other projects I could use it on. Yeah, it's pretty good and dried in there. I'm hoping I'm getting this in camera. But wouldn't it be awesome if I did not have to go out and buy another camera? And use the money I saved for something else, like lighting. You know, whatever else is needed. There we go. It's all cleaned off. So that's pretty much hard. I just want to wait the full 15 minutes. Okay, dry time's up. So this is fail or pass. Real good. So holding really good. Now what I'm going to do is put it up on my overhead recording and see how it holds. And let's see. Alright, now the real thing is, this is how it, whoa, my thing's falling apart. Okay, this is how it held before. Now, when I opened it, it would, you know, go sideways. So let's see if it holds. And it holds. Yes, I fixed it. I am ecstatic. Now I don't have to buy another camera for a while. So that's a success. So thank you for watching. If you like these kind of videos where I have to repair things around the house, let me know. And make sure, if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe and ring that notification bell, and it'll let you know every time I upload a video. And comment down below, what other things would you like to see me fix? See if I can fix it. So, thanks for watching, and everybody have a great day. Bye.